just one powerful fruit for kidney health. Kidney health is a crucial component of overall well-being. Maintaining it should be a priority in our everyday lives. The kidneys are essential in filtering waste, balancing fluids, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones critical for bodily functions. With the increasing prevalence of kidney-related disorders such as chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney infections, it's essential to explore natural ways to support kidney function. One such way is through diet, and one fruit that stands out for its kidney-friendly benefits is the cranberry. Cranberries have long been recognized for their medicinal properties, especially urinary tract health. Rich in antioxidants and beneficial compounds, cranberries offer a variety of health benefits, particularly when it comes to preventing and managing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can negatively affect the kidneys. In this article, we'll explore how cranberries contribute to kidney health, why they are beneficial, and how incorporating them into your diet can help support the urinary system. Cranberries and their nutritional profile. Before diving into their kidney-specific benefits, it's important to understand what makes cranberries such a nutrient powerhouse. Cranberries are small, tart, and loaded with beneficial nutrients that are essential for maintaining overall health. They are particularly high in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that boosts immune function and protects the body from free radical damage. Fiber promotes healthy digestion and can assist in managing blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing kidney-related complications in people with diabetes. Vitamin E, another antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Proanthocyanidins, a unique class of polyphenols found in cranberries that are primarily responsible for their benefits in preventing UTIs. These compounds make cranberries a nutrient-dense food with far-reaching health effects. However, their most well-known and researched benefit is their ability to protect the urinary tract, a key pathway to kidney health. Cranberries as a natural defense against UTIs. One of the major threats to kidney health is the development of urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs occur when bacteria, particularly Escherichia coli, E. coli, enter the urinary tract and begin to multiply. While most UTIs are limited to the bladder, they can spread to the kidneys if left untreated, causing a serious infection known as pyelonephritis. This type of infection can lead to permanent kidney damage, reduced kidney function, and even kidney failure in severe cases. This is where cranberries come into play. Cranberries are rich in proanthocyanidins, PACs, which prevent bacteria like E. coli from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. By reducing bacterial adhesion, PACs help the body flush out bacteria before they can cause an infection. Numerous studies have confirmed that consuming cranberries or cranberry products can reduce the risk of developing UTIs, making them an excellent natural defense against infections that could potentially reach the kidneys. One particular study, published in the journal JAMA Internal Medicine, found that women who consumed cranberry juice regularly had a lower recurrence of UTIs compared to those who did not. While this study focused on cranberry juice, similar benefits have been observed in people who consume cranberry supplements or dried cranberries. This makes cranberries a versatile addition to the diet for those who are prone to frequent UTIs or are at risk of developing kidney infections. Inflammation reduction and kidney protection. Chronic inflammation is a leading contributor to kidney disease and kidney damage. Inflammation can stem from various sources, including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, infections, or autoimmune conditions. Over time, unchecked inflammation can damage the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from the blood. Cranberries, with their high antioxidant content, are particularly effective in reducing inflammation. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids in cranberries neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, cranberries help minimize inflammation in the kidneys and other parts of the body. Research has shown that cranberries can help lower inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, which is often elevated in individuals with kidney disease. Reducing inflammation helps protect the kidneys from further damage and may slow the progression of kidney disease in people who are already affected. For those with early-stage kidney disease or those looking to prevent kidney-related complications, cranberries can serve as a valuable dietary tool for reducing inflammation and supporting long-term kidney health. Cranberries and oxalate levels. Are they safe for people with kidney stones? While cranberries are generally beneficial for kidney health, there is a concern for people who are prone to kidney stones, particularly those who form calcium oxalate stones. Cranberries contain oxalates, which are natural compounds found in certain foods that can bind with calcium in the kidneys to form stones. For individuals who are susceptible to kidney stones, consuming large amounts of high oxalate foods may increase the risk of stone formation. However, the amount of oxalates in cranberries is relatively low compared to other foods, and when consumed in moderation, they are unlikely to pose a significant risk for stone formation. It is still advisable for people with a history of kidney stones to consult their healthcare provider before adding large amounts of cranberries or cranberry supplements to their diet. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a balanced diet can further reduce the risk of kidney stones while still allowing you to enjoy the benefits of cranberries. How to incorporate cranberries into your diet. Adding cranberries to your diet is simple, and there are many delicious ways to enjoy them while reaping their health benefits. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Fresh or dried cranberries. Add fresh cranberries to smoothies, salads, or yogurt bowls for a tart and nutritious boost. Dried cranberries can be added to trail mix, oatmeal, or even baked goods for a touch of sweetness. Just be mindful of added sugars in some dried cranberry products. 2. Cranberry juice. Opt for unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid excess sugar, which can negate some of the health benefits. Drink it on its own, dilute it with water, or mix it with other fruit juices for a refreshing and kidney-friendly beverage. 3. Cranberry supplements. Cranberry supplements are available in capsule or tablet form for those who prefer a more convenient option. These supplements often contain concentrated cranberry extract and offer the same UTI prevention benefits without the tart taste of the fruit or juice. 4. Cranberry sauces or chutneys. Cranberry sauces can be a tasty addition to meals. Just be sure to look for or make low-sugar versions to avoid excess sweetness. Conclusion: cranberries for kidney health. Cranberries are much more than just a tart and vibrant fruit. They are a powerful ally in supporting kidney and urinary tract health. From preventing UTIs to reducing inflammation, cranberries provide a variety of benefits that can help maintain healthy kidney function and prevent long-term damage. Whether you choose to consume cranberries as juice, supplements, or part of a healthy meal, incorporating this superfruit into your diet is a natural and effective way to support your kidneys. While cranberries can provide significant benefits, it's important to remember that they should be part of a broader approach to kidney health, which includes staying hydrated, managing blood pressure, controlling blood sugar levels, and eating a balanced diet. For those with specific kidney concerns, consulting a healthcare professional before making dietary changes is always recommended. Incorporating cranberries into your daily routine can be a simple yet impactful step towards safeguarding your kidneys and maintaining overall health.